Let's try to solve this problem. Let u 4x squared plus 3 get the derivative of u with respect to x. Du is equals to 2 times 4, 8x dx. We can divide it by 8. Cancel. Since we have x in the original integral, we can cancel this. Now substitute in everything into the integral. To e raised to u du over 8. We can take this 1 over 8 outside of the integral. 1 over 8 integral of 2 e raised to u du. Now integrate this since still remain. Substitute u. E over 8 raised to 4x squared plus 3 plus c. After getting the integral, we apply the equation of f is equal to b minus f is equals to a. Now substitute everything. E raised to 4, 2 squared plus 3 over 8 plus c minus e raised to 4, 1 squared plus 3 plus c over 8. Cancel. 2 times 2, 4 times 4, 16 plus 3 e raised to 19 over 8 minus e raised to 2 times 1, 1, 4 times 1, 4 plus 3, 7 over 8, or simply e raised to 19 minus e raised to 7 over 8.